Hey everybody, this is David with Selman Home Inspections, check number 10299, and I just wanted to share a little drain clogging hack with you guys this afternoon. If you've forgotten this, you may have seen it before, but just wanted to show you how it works. I have three ingredients here. I have baking soda, and that's half a cup, and half a cup of salt, and just some plain household vinegar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix the salt and the baking powder together. Again, this is really useful. We find it useful around the house. Sometimes you get drains that want to get clogged up, and or it's just a drain that's slow. And so you can mix these three things together pretty easily. But just mix those dry ingredients together. And you're going to sprinkle a little bit of that into the sink that's clogged or needs maybe a bit slow. You do it a little bit at a time in batches. I do about half, and then the next part of this is to simply wash it down the drain with vinegar. And this is not bomb making or anything like that. It really does clear and make drains work a lot faster. You see that foaming action? That's a reaction between the baking soda and the vinegar, and by adding the salt, that adds a little bit of an abrasive in there, and that fizzing and that motion in there really does make this work pretty well. So just add a little bit of those things together. About half a cup works in just about any sink, and you can repeat it several times and then just wash it down the drain. It's safe, easy to use, inexpensive, and safe for the environment. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks, and have a great day.